my name's Amanda Brown. I'm an elementary education and child development major. This presentation is about ADHD and how it affects the study skills of children in kindergarten through 12th grade. ADHD stands for Attention Deficit and Hyperactivity Disorder. It affects different kids in different ways. They typically have a difficult time studying and staying focused. They have a lower level of self-motivation. They're very easily distracted. A lot of times they're disorganized, and they typically lack time management skills. They often feel overwhelmed or frustrated when they don't understand something easily, or it doesn't come to them quickly, or just the project takes an extended period of time. The major problem here is without the study skills, they often find themselves with test anxiety. They also have issues turning in assignments or turning them in completely, which leads to poor grades. This is a growing diagnosis among students, not only in the state of Texas and in the United States, but across the world. More attention's been given to this disability than in previous generations. Part of that's because in previous generations they thought, oh, the kid's just misbehaving or acting out. Now they're more aware that, oh, it's not their fault. The numbers are going to continue to increase as more studies are done into this and as people become more aware of the symptoms and signs to watch out for. Statistically, this is the percentage of children under 18. Globally, they're saying about 7.2% of children are diagnosed. In the United States, it's approximately 11% of students. And in Texas, it's 9.4%. Like I said, the numbers are going to continue to increase as the awareness is increasing as well. Some ways these students can get help and their parents get involved. Parents can reach out to their pediatrician or a psychologist and have their children tested for ADHD or any other disabilities or to see what's the underlying issues for the behaviors. They can also reach out to the schools. Many schools have different resources, special programs to help with the study and skills, or accommodations for the children to help them do their best in school. The children do really, really well with a visual schedule. That way they can see and have a set routine. During the schedule, they also need multiple breaks built into it. That way they can have that time to not focus as hard and kind of give their mind that mental break for a little bit. Staying on that routine helps because they thrive in that structure. Depending on the kid, they can join small groups to study. Some do better by themselves. Some do better as a whole class. You just got to find what fits for that child. And then I've used several different resources. Thank you.